So in this video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can update your channel name. Okay. So it's actually very simple. So let me just quickly show you that. So log into YouTube, and once you log into YouTube, make sure you are selecting the correct YouTube channel. Okay. So in this case, say for example, okay, I have multiple YouTube channels and I want to update this one. Okay. I want to update Sriram Training to something else. So that's what I want to do. So let me just select this. Okay. So this is selected right now, and once you have selected the correct channel, just click on the channel icon again and go to YouTube Studio. Once you go to YouTube Studio, just scroll down and you would be seeing something called as customization. So just click on customization, and then go to basic info. Okay. So let me just close that. So you can see here channel name and description. Okay, you can certainly update the channel description here, and here is where you can actually edit the channel name. So let me just click on this. So it is saying first name, last name. Why? Because this is a user account. Let me just update this as say for example, okay, I want to update this as Sriram Coaching. Okay, just for example, that's what I want to update. So let me just click on publish. So this is if it is a user account. Okay, that's where it shows as first name and last name. Now the channel name has been updated. Okay, so let me just quickly click on this icon again. So you can see from Sriram Training it has updated to Sriram Coaching. Okay, so let's go to your channel, and you can see that it's reflecting as Sriram Coaching right now. So that's how you update it. And if it is a brand account, if your channel is a brand account, let me just go to one of the brand account, test brand account that I've created. So this is actually a brand account. So let me just click on this. Okay. If it is a brand account, so it's not a major difference there. So let me again just click on and go to YouTube Studio. And show you how exactly it's going to appear if it is a brand account. Okay, again just click on customization. Once you do that, go to basic info. Okay, now let me just click on edit channel name. See now here, see earlier in the previous case it was saying first name and last name because it was a user account. Now this is a brand account. So here let me just update as instead of Sriram Mentoring, I'll just update as Sriram Mentor, just for example. Okay, and I'll just hit on publish. Once I do that, let me just quickly go to your channel, and you should be able to see the changes right now. Okay, so that's how you update your channel name to reflect with the new name. But before updating the channel name, please make sure you are following three most important guidelines. So what are the three most important guidelines? So the first thing that you should do is you got to really make sure that the channel name, whatever you are keeping, it's really unique. That means no one else has actually created a channel with the same name. So how do we really check that? So let me just quickly show you how to do that. Now say for example, okay, I was naming the channel as Sriram Mentor, right? Sriram Mentor. So search for that and you should not see any channel. Okay, so with that particular name, okay, in this case you don't see anything with that name. Since I don't have much content right now on the channel, it's not showing. But what I'm saying is before updating your channel name, please do a search and see if there is any other channel with the same name what you are thinking. If there is something like that, then you are supposed to create a different name. Don't keep the same name what others have kept. So that's the first most important thing. Second thing is the channel name should be easy to remember, and it should actually go well with the topic whatever you are creating. See, if you are building your personal brand, then go with your name, as long as there is nobody else who also has a similar name and they have already created a channel. If not, you can certainly go with your name itself. Okay, and as I said, it has to be easy to remember. And one other thing that you can follow is like it can actually go along with the content as well. If you are into cooking, Say for example, how you can brand it in such a way that okay, the channel name also is going well with cooking. Example, maybe Shri Ram Cooking or Shri Ram Crafts if you're in crafts. Something which is easy to remember and also unique. Okay. And third most important thing that you need to follow is keep the channel name very short. Don't make it too long. Okay. Because nobody will be having too much of patience to type a long name. So one is it should be unique. Okay. Short and easy to remember. Once you do that, your channel is going to be SEO friendly so that it's actually going to come in the search. So that's how you have to do it. Now let me actually show you example of my channels. Okay. So Shri Ram Benur. So this is my brand account channel. Sorry, this is my user account channel. So you could see that it comes right in the top search. Now also let me show you my other channel, A2C Arts and Crafts. If you search again it's the same channel which actually comes top in the search. Okay. Now let me also give you an example of my another channel, A to Z Construction. So you can see here again this is also coming top in the search, right? So that means these names have been really unique and also they are easy to remember. So that's how you should consider how you can actually create a channel name which is actually simple, easy to remember, and also where it actually goes well with the content also. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, then please do subscribe because there will be a lot more videos that will be coming. Okay. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.